Now, what's up guys? Neo, as I'm doing this video right now, it's up 10%. This is something that is great, something that is exciting, and all this is making the new investors to be really excited. And I must say, I am one of the people that is really excited about seeing the share price of Neo up, of course, almost 10%. Neo is officially trading at $4.90 or over $4.90, which is something that is great, something that is exciting. And still today, I mean, it is great. It's great to see Neo do this well. It's great to see Neo share price making a short squeeze like this. I mean, when I look, I see on the screen, notice that when you look at other EV companies, Leoro is up 6%, trading at $29.28, while XPeng is up 12%, trading at $25.79. Rivian down 2.6%, $10.68. Lucid down 2.8%, $2 per share. Zika up 14%, $31.69 is the share price. Tesla is up 2%, $226.92 is the share price. Now, as I've said, Neo, it is a company that is doing pretty well. Zika and XPeng are the ones that are doing much better than Neo, but otherwise, I mean, 12%, 14%, and 10%, I think it's not very far off. I think Neo is doing so well. Short sellers, I'm sure wherever they are panicking. They want to get out of this or leave this position. I mean, yesterday we were talking about the new system or the new strategy that Neo has implemented called CBU, Cell Business Unit, which that entails initiatives or research and development projects that don't have a good ROI to be put to halt, which this will be one thing that makes Neo to burn less cash or not have much losses, because they're just focusing on kind of initiatives and kind of R&Ds that will bring them good return on investment. This is something that is great, and I think part of the reason why the share price of Neo is this high is that investors see that obviously the losses will be cut, the losses will become much better. They won't be as what we've been seeing in the previous quarters, but they will be better. Neo business, in terms of how their finances are running, it's going to be much better. In fact, you know that since the end of 2023, you know that the new CEO has been talking about, of course, about focusing on projects that make financial sense. This is the exact statement that the CEO said end of 2023, and I knew from then that Neo is about to change things, right? And they say they've been implementing this in some few of their departments, and now this strategy, it's going to be implemented across all of Neo departments, all various departments. I mean, to know that Neo right now is going to implement this across all their spheres, it is something that is great, something that is exciting, and it makes me to just want to log the boat. So yes, man, I am very happy. I am very excited about the kind of initiatives that Neo is offering, about the kind of deals that Neo, about the kind of good news that we've been seeing from Neo. Share price, I know that though we are at 10% today, it's not yet where investors want to see double digits, right? And more, right? I mean, XPeng has been one of the stocks that has been doing so well. Share price and also their deliveries, kudos to them. But hopefully Neo also get to catch up. Hopefully Neo also gets to do well. And oh, before I forget, guys, I made a mistake on the previous video. I said Neo sold 4,000 insurance registrations. It was actually 3,000. My bad. I apologize for that. But yeah, I guess we all make mistakes. What happened is that I was about to leave, going to work, and immediately I just saw a notification so that the insurance registrations are out. I just thought, you know what, let me quickly do the video before I go to work. And I did not have a look at the figures twice, and that led me into me saying Neo delivered 4,000 instead of insurance registrations coming at 3,000. Apologies for that. Now back to this video. Neo today, it's up 10%. This is something that is great, exciting, amazing, and it makes me want to load the boat, right? Because this is just the beginning of the good news or of the rally that we might see onto Neo when they turn to profitability. All these initiatives that we've been talking about, they will result into Neo getting to profitability, because sales are going to grow. When sales grow, gross margins are going to improve. When gross margins improve, they are going to have tons and tons of cash at hand. When that also improve, it's going to ultimately lead to profitability. When profitability comes, of course, we know things are going to get better, because losses will be more, but revenues will be losses will be less and revenue will be more, which is something that is pretty exciting. And we look forward. I look forward to Q4, man. Q4 is going to be that quarter where things are going to happen. It's gonna go down, and boy, I cannot wait to see where Neo will be in terms of the share price. Especially also looking at the kind of deliveries they will be delivering. Yes, Q4 earnings, or whether Neo is profitable or was profitable in Q4 or not of this year, we'll only see it next year around this time. March of next year, it's only when we will see if Neo turned to profitability or not, because what we are going to see this year, of course, it's obviously the deliveries, right? I know when they announce their Q3 earnings, sometimes in November, they will make their projections, their estimates, and hopefully when they announce that, as per what they plan, they announce they are expecting profitability, or Q4 of 2024 to get to profitability. So we are going to get confirmation. The first confirmation officially will come after the Q3 and during the Q3 earnings, and next year around this time it will be official when Neo announce their earnings, Q4 earnings. But we know that obviously things will be better with time. Things will be great, and I hope to see Neo continues doing very well. So yeah, man, I just thought I came and give you these quick updates about the share price of Neo. Tell me what you think. I'm sure wherever you are as a new investor, you like this. You would want to see days like this, because we want to see the blue sky also reflecting also on the share price, right? Blue sky is coming, long term will win. That's all from me, and God bless you all.
Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headaches stack. Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose? What do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack. And sometimes you just gotta believe there's something that'll give you relief. There's something that'll have what you need, what you need. We're broken, it's tragic, we're not all elastic, but maybe there's magic. Believe you could have it, and I know of sadness, the anxious and panic, the infinite vastness of all that is black